Quack, quack, quack. Hey, Submarine, where are you? Come here. Oh, there you are. How do you do?
I'm great. Why do you think I'm great? I'm so good.
All right then. So hey guys, welcome back to Siblings Crafts. So today's craft is going to be this paper penguin. This is a really fun craft for little toddlers who have a short attention span and can't really do one task for a long time. And this is really fun to play around with, like the way we were playing. And just so you know, there's going to be a bonus craft at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around.
For this craft, you'll be needing a piece of paper, some scissors, and colors.
To start things off, you'll need to fold your paper in half, like this. Once you do that, measure the edge that's folded and make a tick mark directly at the center. Then where you made the tick mark, measure 8 centimeters into the page. Now cut a line connecting, use your scissors and cut a line connecting both the dots / lines. Now measure 8 centimeters out onto the crease on both sides and make a dot. Now make a square by connecting the edges of the cuts to the tick marks on the crease. Now you're gonna do this 4 times. You have to fold on the pencil line that you can see through the paper. And do this on every side. So it's kind of like pointing up. Now you got this shape, just bend it and fold it in and bend it just a little bit to make it a bit more sturdy. And now it's time to color. So there you have it, guys. This is the paper penguin. Hello. Oh my god, you almost bit me, didn't you?
I'm gonna bite you again. Get it?
Alright. And one thing, guys, we really appreciate all the support. You guys got us to more than 70 subscribers. And we really want to reach the big milestone of 100 subscribers. So anybody watching who's not currently subscribed, we would really appreciate it if you could subscribe and help us reach this goal. And anyways, let's go on to the bonus craft. So this is the bonus craft. We're going to be making a pop-up card. We decided to make a rainbow, but you can make really anything you want. Just have some fun with it. And let's get started. For this craft, you'll need a piece of paper, 3 strips of paper equally cut, a glue stick, the shape that you want to pop up, and a pencil. So first off, you're gonna fold the strips of paper back and forth like so. Do this to all 3 of them. Now you're gonna take the shape that you want to pop up and just mark the 3 points which are gonna hold it. Like that. Now you take the glue and you glue on the 3 strips of paper. Time for a quick little snack break. It's really good.
Yummy.
Now you're gonna glue the tops of the 3 strips of paper. And glue your pop-up object on them. You can make some slight adjustments if it's not how you want it. So this is the pop-up card with a rainbow inside. Here, you can hold it. We hope you like this bonus craft. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe, and we will see you on another siblings craft. Bye!